If the brother here not gay, me don't know who is gay. Pay attention to how obsessed he is with SouFLoTV's mouth. Another man's mouth.
People all over the world put up the gargan now and say, yo, see the rapper Kappa just put up a new Ninja Man. Everybody have a store for a Ninja Man. My little gay friend, him have a store for a Ninja Man. Watch man mouth, the man like, but no, sir. The man come is a body that you have in that mouth. Watch your man, man. Why
Strike one. Watch your man mouth. The man come in like it's a body him having a mouth. That's what the man just saying now. Watch this.
Yeah, him. I forgot about him. Alright, people.
Notice how I'm angle the camera and I watch the man mouth the whole time. The whole time he's watching my mouth. He's not watching the whole video. Watch this. You see it?
SouFLo. Yeah, SouFLo.
Hear the passion. SouFLo. I call up a man name so much, dog.
You, the man just open him mouth like a penis him having a mouth. Damn, man. So.
The man just open him mouth like he's a penis him having a mouth. Oh no, listen to L.A. Lewis. Oh no, you hear that man, yeah? I'll come out. You want to come out, you know?
Damn. SouFLo. See, put up him latest Ninja Man video there. Look how the man mouth already set. Look at the man mouth.
See, put up him latest Ninja Man video there. Look at the man mouth. Yeah.
SouFLo, look at the man mouth, man. Damn, come like one of them girls like will have kissed my dick. Yeah, SouFLo. See that? Him look like Queen Africa, they say. That's SouFLo.
Looking at the next man mouth make you think about girls will love kiss your dick. Shame for you, my youth.
No, people.
And you call people gay or battyman. Ninja Man. Not tell me. My father video. LA Lewis this. No, I'm not this. I won't have it. I don't know free me. Who else? 21 million videos and 21 million videos. I'm the boss. Where's it? Go back to SouFLo. Alright, SouFLo, let's go back to SouFLo. Alright, see, that's the SouFLo, yeah? SouFLo 5,840 video. 5,000 video. I want the people them to hear that, you know. The man mouth always look like a girl with a kiss off me dick. This is a so-called straight man attack this, right? Enough of them man here are undercover battyman, you know. That may I tell you, and more time, all you have to do is just make a man talk and listen to what he must say. He must expose himself, just like L.A. Lewis is doing in this video.
Look at the man mouth all the way. Watch the man put his finger in their mouth. Watch the man. The man just like he don't put things in their mouth. I don't know star. Papa Jesus. See Ninja Man now people, 10 million. No people, look at SouFLo back now. Look here. Look at the man. No, SouFLo, no idea about so. People, Jesus. Look at SouFLo mouth. The man look at him suck dick. Yeah, you know when them girl like kiss off. Come on, man. I saw the man mouth look. But all I picture them. Look at the man again. See? Look at the man. Look at the man, people. No, a joke thing that. SouFLo on a good sign that in a youth. Stop the mouth movement to the youth. Maybe people think the wrong thing. When no matter what, money in my pocket and I'm ready for the top. Every time I step up in the city or the game, niggas know my name. 21 million.
Alright, stop. L.A. Lewis said, every time I step, all I do is win, no matter what. Something about money in his pocket and he's headed to the top. Every time I step up in the city, all the gay niggas know my name. Right behind this kind of a video. I've never seen a man so obsessed about another man's mouth and talk so much dick sucking and how the man's mouth reminds you of a girl that sucks your dick or kisses your dick. Tell me in the comment section if you don't think this is some homosexual behavior. Now, I've said this before, I'm going to say it again. Check this out, man. A lot of the times you don't need to speculate on people. Just let them talk and listen to the things that they say. Listen to the things that L.A. Lewis said in this video. Watch his behavior, how he's so obsessed, and the woos and the oohs and ahs and damn SouFLo while he's talking about my mouth. Them man you want call man battyman. Big up yourself in the L.A. Lewis. Any which part you there? you're a true representative of J flag. You understand? You just need to start wave the rainbow flag right now and go and live your life. Here, my youth. Come out, man. Nobody no mad.